How to sign in to Prime Video on a TV. Amazon Prime Video allows users to stream their favorite shows and movies on a wide range of smart TVs and streaming devices. Signing in on a TV is a simple process, but it may vary slightly depending on the device. 1. Open the Prime Video app. Ensure your smart TV or streaming device has the Prime Video app installed. Most modern smart TVs come with it pre-installed, but if not, you can download it from the device's app store. 2. Select the sign-in option. Once the app is open, navigate to the Sign In option on the home screen. You will be given two options: sign in directly on the TV. Enter your Amazon login credentials using the on-screen keyboard. Sign in using a web browser. A code will be displayed on your TV screen, which you will need to enter on a separate device. 3. Activate using a web browser. If you choose the browser sign-in method, follow these steps. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Go to Amazon's sign-in page. Without typing it in the chat, enter the code displayed on your TV screen. Log in with your Amazon account credentials. 4. Confirm the device. Once you have entered the code and signed in, your TV will refresh and log you into your Prime Video account automatically. You can now start streaming. 5. Troubleshooting sign-in issues. If you experience difficulties signing in, ensure your internet connection is stable. Restart your TV or streaming device. Check for any software updates on your TV or Prime Video app. If the activation code expires, select Get a New Code on your TV and try again. 6. Managing devices. To view and manage all devices linked to your Prime Video account, log into your Amazon account on a web browser. Navigate to Manage Your Content and Devices. Remove any old or unused devices from the list. 7. Multiple profiles and family sharing. Prime Video allows up to 6 user profiles per account. If multiple people in your household use Prime Video, you can switch between profiles to get personalized recommendations. Signing in to Prime Video on a TV is a straightforward process that enhances the viewing experience on a larger screen. By following these steps, users can quickly access their favorite content without hassle.